Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Microsoft Office Learning. In this video, I'm going to show you how to insert shapes and how to insert smart art in PowerPoint documents. So stay tuned and watch till the end. For example, if I want to insert any shape on this slide, so I'll go to the Insert tab. There is a Shapes option here. Click on this one. There are different types of shapes. You can choose any shape which you want. For example, I want this oval shape. Click on this one. Now I will draw the shape. I will draw this shape, and now you can see there is a Format tab. You can change its color. For example, if I want this color, I can change its color. And now I'll type any text. For example, courses. Now again, I can change the text color as well. I select this text, and then if I press Ctrl B, so it will bold, and you can change the text color from here. For example, if I want the white, so it will remain white. So now next thing is how to insert smart art. Again, go to Insert tab. There is a smart art option next to the shapes option. Click on this one. A window will pop up. There are different designs of smart art. Whatever you want, you just click. For example, if I want this smart art, I click on this one, so it will show on your side how it looks like. I'm okay with that. Press OK. Now you can see it has inserted, so I can resize from the corners. I'll move to this side. If I click on this one, I can change the individual box colors as well. For example, if I want this color blue, so I'll choose this one. I can write anything if I want. So I can change its size as well. I can move the position as well. Write word here. Again, I will write fine. So again, you can change the size of the text as well. You can move its position, change its color. There are so many different options here. On the format, you can text fill, text outline. You can choose the different shapes here. So this is the way you can insert smart art and insert any kind of shape. So hit the like button if you like this video, and make sure to subscribe my channel if you want to watch more tips and tricks. So I'll see you guys in next video.